Welcome to VNClagoon, our secure stack of communication and collaboration products consisting of VNC Talk, VNC Mail, VNC Task, VNC Calendar, VNC Contacts, and VNC Project. Use one or several of the products, use them integrated, and use them in a flexible way. Let's start with VNC Talk. Here you see how you can start a conversation, either a chat, a group chat, a video meeting, a broadcast, or a screen share session. In a chat, you can select another user and you can start your conversation. This is the user I'm talking to, here's the chat info, and many more options. To mute and unmute a chat, for example, or activate notifications. Here's the chat. Here you enter a chat and send it. You can attach files, like images, with a preview. You can activate a rich text format editor, so you can see your text in a more structured way, which is also available as a full screen. So I guess you have much more to say. You can add other participants to create a group chat. You can add pictures. You can encrypt your chat and much more. You can start an audio call or a video call or a screen share session or a whiteboard. And you can start a VNC pad, which is a form of document collaboration with your chat partner. Each participant has an own color, and you see who has changed what in your document. You can record and send voice messages. Here is how you can start a group chat. You select your participants and the role they have, participant or the audience. You can add encryption if you like. For a video meeting, you can also create a video meeting and schedule the video meeting for a certain date and time. Again, select the participants, give them their role, schedule the meeting. So this is tomorrow afternoon. You could also add tags if you like, and then you schedule it. Every participant receives an invitation and can start the meeting at the scheduled time. You can also send broadcasts throughout your whole organization, or you can ping directly other users. In the top right corner of VNClagoon, you will find more information about your account and the help desk. Do you have a question? Just create an issue, and the help desk will get back to you. And if you have permission to see that, you have a link to the VNC Directory. In the VNC Directory, you can create organizations and link the products that they are subscribed to, like VNC Talk or Mail and others. You can activate encryption. And you see all the users that are in an organization. And you can edit the users. Let's change that to female. You can invite users, you can create new users for an organization, and you can add existing users to an organization. There are departments that you can create and you can edit, and then you can change the products they are allowed to use. You can create teams. Tags of any kind and labels and much more. You see all the options on the left side. Roles and permissions are very important. Who is allowed to do what on your platform? Who can create new accounts, for example? These trackers are for the help desk. Of course, you can create custom fields for any element in the directory. This is a complete directory service. VNC Mail. VNC Mail is a complete groupware product consisting of mail, contacts, calendar, and briefcase. This is your inbox. Compose an email, add your recipients, also CC recipients, write your subject, add an attachment, and write your text. You have an automatically added email signature that you can predefine and that you can also change, as you see here. Send your email. And here it is. That's a preview. You have your email folders. Easily, you can create a new folder with a color as well. You can move emails to the folders, and you can share folders with your team members and with a set of permissions. Here are your contacts with all the contact information that you need. And this is the calendar, containing really the complete calendar features that you might need. Enter a meeting, a location, a date and time, set reminders, and you can also invite your other team members or external participants. Drag and drop your meeting to another date or time. In the briefcase, you have a document store where you can store and share your files, and you can send them by email, for example, as attachments or as links. And of course, you have a whole set of preferences that you can set. VNC Contacts. Let's search for a contact. I'm opening the contact now. You find lots of contact information that can be also enhanced with HR data. What is really cool is that you will see your recent activity with that contact, your recent chats or calls or emails, or everything at once. You can start audio or video calls or chats or screen share sessions or emails and much more. VNC Task is a really nice task management product. You can list your tasks. You see, oh, this task is due today, or these tasks are overdue. You create a new task by entering a task name, a start date, let's say today, a due date, let's say Saturday, a priority, oh, that's urgent. You could assign users or lists or repeated tasks or tags and of course descriptions. Here's the task. You can add comments. VNC Task makes sure that you won't lose your track. And if VNC Task is not complex enough for you, we have VNC Project with our Agile board, where you see all the open tasks, for example, for this week for a certain person, for me. Here are the tasks that we just had a look at. You can change the due dates. You can change the priorities. And of course, the time that you think this task will require. These are tickets. You can work with these tickets in complete teams or organizations in an agile way. Let's add a comment. Or tags. You will not need another tool to get organized within your organization if you're using VNC Project. Thank you for your time. We'd love to hear from you. Bye.